Hi, I'm Liv with the Girl's Guide to Cars, and this video is about something extra special. It is about the Disney100 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Platinum Edition. We're going to check it out, and we're doing some of that here at Disneyland. The magical castle at Disneyland itself got a fresh coat of paint to celebrate its 100th birthday, and the Hyundai Ioniq 5 has a bunch of magical Disney mystery hidden inside it that we are going to learn about in this video. The Disney100 Ioniq 5. It's for Disney100, but only 1,000 of these were ever made, and this is one of 1,000. This Ioniq 5 was made in conjunction with Walt Disney Imagineers. There's some magical little things over here, all in this vehicle, sprinkled on the outside and on the inside, just to celebrate 100 years of Disney. So we're gonna go take a little tour and show you all of the magic. Starting with the front, this black Hyundai badge. This is only on this. It's on the front and on the rear, but let's go find a little hidden Mickey. If you've ever been to one of the Disney parks, you might know that they love to sprinkle little hidden Mickey Mouse signs, symbols, whatever, icons around the park. And if you look at the wheels here, these are 20-inch black alloy wheels. And here we have Mickey Mouse ears and Mickey Mouse head. So every time your wheels spin, Mickey's going for a little ride. Another thing that we have here is the Disney100 Platinum Edition badge. This is on both sides of the vehicle. Really subtle, classy, fancy way to say that you have something very, very special. Very cool. And since you're looking at the paint, you can see that this paint itself is extra special too. This is the Gravity Gold, just for Disney100. This is a matte paint finish, which is just super extra unique and gorgeous. So let's take a little spin round to the back over here. More Mickey Mouse ears on those alloy wheels there. And then we have the black Disney badge on the exterior. So this is what is special on the outside, but let's go check some extra special magic on the inside. Come on in and check out some of the magic over here. On the door, you can see the Terra Brown and Mud Gray. Weird names, but this is the Disney100 exclusive colorway. And you can see the little Mickeys all along the door trim in this beautiful texture here. And if you peek on inside, we have some more Mickeys with Disney100 Platinum Edition on the floor on both sides. And if you swoop back a little, one of my favorite features is this debossed Disney100 on the headrest. Really gorgeous, and this has withstood a lot of abuse already, and it looks phenomenal. Another gorgeous debossing that you can see here in the Terra Brown, almost like a chocolatey color, is the Disney100 right here in the center console. It's so beautiful. But something else that you get that's extra special is the Disney100 ambient lighting color. It's on right now, so we'll show you what it looks like when it's not so bright. But if you want to set that up, let's just go and have a look at all the different colors that they have. And if you have one of these 1,000, you get that special Disney100 color, which is the gorgeous Disney purple. Disney100 celebrated with this purple in a lot of different ways. And so I'm sure the Walt Disney Imagineers contributed in that way. Now, also on the screen, one of my most favorite features altogether is the Disney100 magical intro with the music and with the pixie dust. It looks so phenomenal. And honestly, I think it's on both exit and entrance sometimes. It's just like a little magical interlude that you're not expecting and just adds some sparkle to your day. Now, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is already an award-winning all-electric SUV. It's really renowned for its super fast charging, super spacious cabin, tons of range, and really lovely features. So a couple things that I particularly love. The soft touch materials feel absolutely phenomenal. The really easy to grab door handle, even if you have ergonomic difficulties, it's this whole chunk over here. So it's super easy to grab even when it's far away. And this little spot here is perfect for little trinkets like your lipstick or your keys. It fits perfectly right there, and it doesn't get in the way of opening or closing the door. Now, there are a ton of other features that I love here. Not Remy from Ratatouille, he's just hanging out with us. But I love that this center console can be moved forwards or backwards in any way that you want. Super cool. Now, if you have a large purse like I do, then you will love that it can fit in the storage right here so well. If it's really large and you need some extra room to get it out, it's fine. You can do that so easily. And if you want a little bit of extra room for something like your phone or that lipstick, just pop it up. You can leave your stuff in there nice and secure. Love it. Another feature that I absolutely love is that there is a full glass roof, but if you don't like that, that's okay, obviously, because you have a full cover and it just opens just like that. Scissor open, I don't know what we call it, but it's super phenomenal. It's a really hot day though, so we're gonna keep that closed. Another little magical thing that I love about the Hyundai Ioniq 5, this has nothing to do with Disney, but it's still magical. The driver's seat can fully recline and you have a little leg rest, so it takes kind of a while to open everything. But if you want to lie down, you have the option to completely lie down flat and comfortably. Bye. Some more things that I love about the Hyundai Ioniq 5. In the back seat here, we have a full sunshade. Super awesome. The rear seats can recline. Woo! Woo! And they can slide forwards and backwards if you want. Super awesome. And of course you have cup holders. More magical additions to the back. We have 2 USB-A power ports, but we also have a full 110 outlet here between the 2 rear seats. And we have a nicely placed vent on either side. Very comfy. If you want one of these really special Hyundai Ioniq 5s, you can get one for yourself for around $59,400 today. It's ready to be locked. This gets about 260 miles of range. You can charge from 10 to 80 in about 18 minutes, which is pretty crazy. Now, if you can't get a hold of one of these, don't fret. You can get a Hyundai Ioniq 5 starting at $42,200. So either way, it's pretty magical, and I love what Hyundai is doing and what they did with Disney. Thank you so much for joining me for this video where we checked out the Disney100 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Check the description for my article, and we'll see you next time.